Usually, lichen planus resolves on its own, and the aim of the treatment is usually to resolve the symptoms, which involves the application of topical corticosteroids, for example, clobetasol propionate. In more severe cases, the corticosteroid is given orally alongside immunosuppressive drugs like methotrexate and mycophenolate mofetil. And with lichen planus lesions in the oral cavity, it's important to have an exact diagnosis of lichen planus before a treatment plan is made, and this is because the lichen planus papules and the white lines called Wickham striae may resemble other diseases like a squamous cell carcinoma. So a biopsy should be taken and then further treatment can be made. So further treatment of lichen planus in the mouth involves improving oral hygiene, application of topical corticosteroids like betamethasone, or giving systemic corticosteroids in severe cases.